Hello, 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 everyone. It is legendARI. You can also call me Ari for short. Today I'm going to be putting y'all on this cheap ass wig I bought from Sam's Beauty. Look at it. Isn't it so cute, y'all? This wig was fire. Now, it's not a full lace. It's kind of like a T-part, but the hairline isn't a full T-part. This is me just trying to scrape up some foundation so I can blend my lace, but you'll see later on that I didn't put enough on. I did want to let y'all know that the wig does have adjustable straps in the back. I got a little peanut head, thanks Dad, but it fit me pretty good. So if you do have a larger head, you'll be able to fit this wig as well because it's adjustable. Alright, so here we go. I'm literally just trying to scrape as much foundation out of the bottle so I can use it to blend my lace. Now I want to let y'all know that the foundation that I use on my face and the foundation that I use on my wigs are two completely different foundations. That's why I got makeup on my face and I barely ain't got none for my wigs. Also, please don't be saying nothing about my eczema because your girl is going through something and I just got my prescription refilled, so my arms will be clearing back up. Have y'all used this even lace adhesive spray? I love it so much. I use this shit on everything. I use it for my lace. I use it as hairspray when I'm curling. I use it to tame flyaways. I literally use it for everything. I don't even buy Got2b anymore. Like once I run out of Got2b, I'm like, why have two hairsprays? Like I just buy one big can of the even lace adhesive and I go on by my life. Okay, y'all, so it wouldn't be me if I didn't fuck up somewhere. So I was going to do some baby hair on this wig, which is why I had them parted out. But once I took the tie off, I was like, you know, this wig really don't even need baby hair because it just covers so much of my forehead already. And that's literally what I use baby hair for, just to cover my forehead because it's so big. So I actually changed my mind about doing the baby hair, and as you can see, I combed it back and then I just kind of fixed that little area where my makeup and that hairspray was messed up at. So I don't know if I experienced this because I got a little head, but sometimes when I put like a synthetic wig on, it kind of had this little hump or whatever. So that's why I just used a little bit of that wax, and then I just used my hot comb to kind of lay it down more flat so it wouldn't have that little ugly hump up there. I feel like I need to say this just for people who are beginning with wigs. Do not use a lot of makeup to tint your lace. I only kept applying it because I was desperate and I was running out of makeup. But if you just have a regular amount of makeup in your bottle, all you got to do is just do a little dab, brush off the excess, and use the residue. I didn't have enough excess to be using no residue. I had to use what I could get out the bottle. So don't be using a lot of makeup when you're coloring your lace.
Okay, you guys, so this is it. I really like this wig. I did not expect to like this wig so much. Like, look at it. It's like soft, it's shiny, it's full. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Installation was so easy. Literally, all you really gotta do is put it on, cut the lace, and maybe tint the lace with your makeup or whatever. Just go around the front and your hairline and you'll really be done. Like, I really like this wig. I really didn't expect much from it because, to be honest with y'all, I'm not a synthetic wig wearer. I am one of those girls that does spend hundreds of dollars on their weave, but this is a really good wig. And the fact that I got it for $30, I just was like, oh, it's on sale, I'm sure I can work with it. I really like it. This is a steal. Look at that. Look, you can't even, if I was out, you wouldn't even be able to tell this wasn't bundles. You literally wouldn't be able to tell. Like, look at me. Look at me. Can you tell? No, I know you can't. I love it. I'm not even gonna lie. And I was thinking about cutting it for y'all, cutting it to, like, you know, because me, I like long hair, but not really. I was thinking about cutting it to maybe like my chest or something, but I don't know. I literally didn't even expect to like this wig. I'm shook. I see why these synthetic wigs got y'all in a chokehold, because I'm shook. It's giving. It's giving. So I'll put the link in the bio for you guys so y'all can, because y'all got to get you one. I feel like even if you're not a weave or wig wearer, I really do feel like it's good to have one good go-to wig on standby. Like, sometimes you need a go-to hairstyle just to hold you over to your next hairstyle. This is a really good go-to hairstyle just to hold you over for a little bit. If you want to make it a lifestyle, you can do that too, but I'll probably use it as, you know, just a filler wig in between my hairstyle. Look at me. It's giving bad, bitch. You literally wouldn't be able to tell this is a synthetic wig. You cannot tell. Also, I will say this. The good thing about synthetic wigs is that you never ever have to worry about your curls falling. So that's what I'm saying. This is a really good everyday wig. It's a really good night on the town wig. They have multiple colors if you want to try multiple colors. I just like solid colors, but I'm gonna try to branch out to try new colors, because since I don't really wear synthetic wigs like that, I think I'm gonna try to use this as an opportunity to try new colors that I don't have to commit to. So yeah, y'all, you're gonna love this wig. Y'all need to get this wig. You're gonna love it. Like, $30. It was just $30. Like, what? Look, you can't even look at me. Look. Can y'all see, like, it literally, it comes down so long. Do you see that? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed putting y'all onto this wig. I might try to, like, keep this up, doing more little synthetic finds for you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm going to see y'all next time. Peace.